Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna show you how to get Game Pass in Xbox application. So first of all you need to log in your Xbox account and you need to click on Game Pass on bottom left corner, but sorry, bottom right corner. Then you need to click on the game which you want. Click on the game. As you can see here, the game, then click on get game pass, then click on join now, then again click on join now. It's loading, just wait a minute. Then you can check the terms and condition on the checkbox, then click on next. Then you can easily pay through credit card or e-wallet like PayPal or Venmo, or you can also use your redeem card on Xbox application. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. So bye.